The final court case with Mr.
Good
Stitch and
morning,
Mr.
this honorable
Jabone.
court. This morning, the case between Mr. Stitch, the accused, and Mr. Jawbone, the defendant, will be in session. Judge Claude will be presiding over the case. Good morning to this honorable court. Judge Claude presiding. Well, we have heard the matter and set in motion and the conclusion of the matter. The defendant, Mr. Jawbone, have brought up an eyewitness. Late into the matter, but this honorable court have accepted the eyewitness statement, and the jury has finally come to a deliberation and found Mr. Stitch guilty of all charges. Order, 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 order. Lawyer, please to control your accuse. Order in this honorable court. Order in this honorable court. Order in this honorable court. Okay, order. Your Honor, my client is not guilty. My client is not guilty, Your Honor. My client is not guilty. Well, the maximum sentence is 25 years imprisonment. When you will serve 10 years before parole. And my statement is final. Final. Justice has been served.